Basically, in traditional air conditioner, radiator is located at back of the fan. Therefore the speed of airflow is very low. That is the reason that heat exchange is not efficient. In our solution, the speed of airflow is 5 to 7 times than traditional air conditioner. Our patented structure design has a narrower outlet which makes airflow flow much quicker and under stronger pressure. The structure causes so-called funneling effect. Our new solution can save more power as well as your daily expense than traditional air conditioner. Please back us and let's care about global climate together and do not warm the planet anymore. Thank you very much.